I'm Jesper, and I'm the founder of calculations.tools. I wanted to quickly just show you our loan payment calculator that actually shows you exactly how to calculate your loan payment and total interest. So this could be a mortgage, a car loan, or any other loan that you may have. So up here in the top, we have the calculator, and you can insert your local currency, the currency you want. This doesn't change any formula or numbers in the result. It's just so you can more accurately see your amount in the currency that you want to use. But below the calculator, we have the exact formula. This might just be a bunch of numbers that don't make any sense. That's why I built the calculator, so that you can see it more easily and it actually makes sense. Um, divided by or divided down exactly for the time period and so on for your loan. But yeah, anyways, you have all the info you need down here to answer all your questions, and you have some examples in the different tables down here with the amounts. And just for the demonstration in our content here, we've used the USD as the currency. But again, it doesn't really matter the currency. The numbers stay the same, the formula the same. So let's do a calculation here. So we can just choose whatever currency we need. I'll take euros as the example. Let's do 20,000 euros. And interest rate 6.5, and we'll pay it back over 15 years. So instantly you will see the monthly payment, total paid, so the loan amount plus the interest. You'll see the total interest and monthly interest rate. Below here you'll see exactly how it's calculated, the different things. And then below again you'll have a year-over-year amortization. So you'll see the monthly payment, the interest paid per year, and then the remaining balance at the end of that year. So year 1, 2, 3, and so forth until the last year of the loan. So this is how you use the calculator. Just a pro tip, please don't confuse the annual interest rate with the monthly rate. So the correct approach to use this tool would be to always enter the annual rate. This tool automatically divides by 12, so like by monthly. So entering the monthly rate directly would massively overstate your payments, obviously. So just take another or an extra 10 seconds to get the input right, and the output will be spot on. All right, thank you.